Well, the others aren't here because the others aren't here. That's why. So, don't ask. Okay, so my name is Plum, and there are other monkeys on this channel, but they're not here right now. So my name is Plum. I'm a scientist, but I'm not stupid. I am really stupid. So, is the camera even on? I'll turn it on. There we go. Hi. Okay. So, why am I waving? Because it's the end of the show. What? Yeah, it's the end of the show. I'm gonna turn the camera off now. No, baby Sarah, don't. But I want to. Okay. Baby Sarah is Jace's little brother, sister. You will meet her momentarily, but not right now. So, yeah. So there will be many series up, like the Monkeys series, and Juice and His Class series, where he teaches monkeys to dance, and also much more, like Milky Milkshake's journey. Yeah. So I love you, even though I don't know who you are. I don't know who's watching this, but bye-bye. Choo-choo. Picture noise. Aha.